This absolute beast of a gaming PC just came to the shop because the system's not stable. See, anytime you try to launch a game, the game will act like it's loading, and once the shaders start to compile, the game just crashes every single time. It's like clockwork. Every single time the shaders start to load, the system will just all of a sudden crash on you. And this same issue occurs on almost every single game that the system runs. So what's going on here to cause this instability? Well, you might think it has something to do with the GPU, because that would make a lot of sense. Because something like a GPU driver can cause crashes like that all the time. But the problem is, even if we run a clean installation of the latest driver, which will actually remove the old version just in case it became corrupted, before installing the latest version, we'll see that when the game tries to launch and these shaders start to compile, it crashes just like it did before, proving that it's not a driver issue. So what's going on here? Well, I'm pretty sure I know. Because if we just pull the CPU cooler off and then wipe off this thermal paste, that'll do it. Another Intel Core i9-14900. And just in case you're not following the industry closely, Intel's 13th and 14th generation issues have been plagued with instability because of a microcode bug that caused the motherboard to actually send too much voltage to the CPU itself. That slowly fried these processors over time. And although the issue is technically patched through a BIOS update, if you happen to install it, that only prevents new damage from occurring. Anything that happened previously, well, you're out of luck. And before I get ahead of myself, let's pull our customer CPU out. This way we can install a testing spare. And with that testing CPU installed, instead of getting stuck when trying to compile the shaders, it actually loads up, allowing us to actually get back to gaming, proving we have another dead Intel Core i9-14900. And just from my small repair shop, that's like the 6th or 7th dead 13th or 14th generation CPU that's coming in the past month. And from my understanding, what seems to be happening is that when these CPUs start to fail, one of the first things that goes out is the connection to the PCIe interface, which causes things like M.2 drives to disconnect, and GPUs, causing tons of game crashes and even Windows failing to install. So that means we gotta file another RMA. And hopefully this one doesn't result in a broken GPU like this system back here.